Hey guys, how you doing? It's Mr. Andrews. I am going to speak to you with a few updates about what we're doing on the senior project. So, a couple quick things to know is that I've made some changes to the schedule, which I'm showing to you right now. One of them, which you'll be excited about, is that the research proposal has now been pushed back to the 29th. That is the first of four parts that we're doing for the senior project. You may know that the senior project results in this large paper that we're writing and working on developing. It may honestly be the only thing we end up working on. I'm not sure if we're going to get to anything else after that with the way things are going. So we're going to focus on just getting our senior project done before the end of the school year, if that ends up being the case. Okay. So that said, um, we're focusing on right now this piece called 22A. 22A is the proposal where you write out and about what you're going to research, what you're going to write about. It's where you declare your intentions for this project, right? It's where you propose what you're going to write about. Now, here's the thing. It's not just as simple as I have this topic in mind. We talked about this last time with last class that with concept mapping, we're trying to come up with something a little more specific than just a general topic. Like, yeah, I'm interested in climate change, but what about climate change am I going to focus on, right? So that's what we talked about last time is how can we get more specific in terms of coming up with ideas for what we want to write about, right? Today, we're going to focus in on a driving question workshop. So that's something that's a little different. I flipped this around. Next class, we'll talk a little about research skills and all that. I'm going to show you a sample proposal, okay? But for today, we're actually going to focus on developing a question. Your whole paper will have to do with researching to answering a question. And the thing is, there are a few criteria for this question that you really want to look at. So we're going to do a workshop on that today. I do want to note that your research questions, you are going to develop a question set, a few questions that you might use, 3 or 4, and we're going to actually conference over those. So I want you to note that on the 27th, we're going to try to do some live conferences that day. That's this Friday. So make sure that you are checking in to find out or to sign up for a time. I'm going to set up a sign-in sheet for you to do that, okay? So be looking for that. A note again that the proposals are going to be due on the 29th. I'll be indicating all that. So that's where we're at on senior projects. If you want to move ahead, the secret password is not in this video. It's actually in the next one. It's going to be in the driving question workshop somewhere. So check that out. Find me there.